Hello friends, our today's activity is face proportions. Today we are going to learn how to draw a human face in proper proportions. You can see that there are two grids, rectangular shaped grids, and they are divided into four parts. In the first grid, we will see how to draw a face of a boy. In the second grid, we will see how to draw a face of a girl. So let's begin. You can see that a grid is divided into four parts, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And at the same time it is divided into two parts. This is a line, the middle line, which has divided this box, rectangular box, into two parts and then subdivided it into four parts. This is the first, second, third and fourth part. On this line, this will be the hairline. This line over here will be the forehead. This is a center line. Somewhere here on this line will come a nose, and this is the chin. The same pattern will be divided here for the girl. So the center line and the forehead line, we will draw a line dividing this grid into equal halves. So I have drawn a horizontal line. Till this nose line and the hairline, we will draw an oval shape. Very lightly draw an oval shape. Now this line will be the line for our eyes. After we finish drawing this oval shape, we will draw a U shape like this. So that will be the chin or the face. Now since we are drawing a boy, we will draw the chin slightly bigger. On this line that we divided, this is the line for the eyes. So here we'll start drawing the eyes. Here will be the eyebrows. So we'll just draw one arc for the eyebrows. Then on this circle that we drew, we will start drawing the nose. This is the line for the nose, and with the help of this circle as a guiding line, we will first draw a small arc. And then we'll erase this circle. So you can see that our face has started to develop. We'll do the details for the eyebrows. Then we'll draw the lips. Just below the nose, we'll start drawing the lips. We'll draw a small V. Now we'll do the hair. Before I start drawing the hair, I'll erase these lines and make it light. Now let's draw the ears. So for the ears we'll start from here. Now we'll draw the hair, and we'll draw one line slightly outside the circle that we drew. So when I'm erasing the grid, you will see that it has started to look like a proper face with a proportion. So we finished drawing a boy.